This unit addresses the 8 indicators for fire behavior. Fire is a heat source. Therefore, it influences and modifies the fire environment. Constantly monitor fire behavior by observing column characteristics, flame length, and rate of spread. When on the fire line, look for these 8 indicators: leaning column, sheared column, well-developed column, changing column, trees torching, smoldering fires picking up, small fire whirls beginning, frequent spot fires. A leaning column is one of the first fire behavior indicators that you will see when approaching a fire. A leaning column is typical of wind-driven fires, therefore anticipate rapid rates of spread and short-range spotting. A sheared column rises straight up and then at some level is sharply sheared off in a horizontal direction by winds aloft. This can cause long-range spotting, and winds aloft can surface and increase fire behavior. Avoid working under a sheared column. A critical indicator to look for is a well-developed column. Anticipate intense burning conditions and unpredictable fire spread in any direction. If the well-developed column has a capping cumulus top, then expect strong downbursts. Feeling a light rain or sudden calm under this type of column is an immediate indicator of a possible downburst. A plume-dominated fire, which has a well-developed column that sometimes reaches more than 20,000 feet, occurs when the power of the fire becomes stronger than the power of the local winds. Look for any changes in the smoke column. For example, when the color of the column changes from light to dark, or when the column starts to rotate faster, it means fire intensity is building. Another critical indicator is trees torching. If you see intermittent single tree torching progressing to groups of trees torching, expect hazardous fire behavior conditions. Look for smoldering fires that are picking up. These fires are becoming active. Monitor the flame length and spread rate. The presence of small fire whirls beginning is an indicator that the fire is developing vertically, building intensity, and may have potential to transport firebrands. Fire whirls develop when there is wind shear in the lower atmosphere and unstable heated air near the surface. Frequent spot fires are a critical indicator, especially when there are more spot fires than the crews can handle. Anticipate fire behavior hazards when spot fires are increasing. Look for these fire behavior indicators when you are on a fire. Think about how other indicators, such as wind and fuel type, may change the fire behavior. Add these observations to your mental model of the fire. We have just covered the 8 fire behavior indicators: leaning column, sheared column, well-developed column, changing column, trees torching, smoldering fires picking up, small fire whirls beginning, frequent spot fires.